Here he is, Eventuri.
Yeah, we show up. Yeah, we show up. Take me like our own. Yeah, we show up.
So we're back with another video for the Mini Clubman. And today, Cookie has spent a fair bit of wedge and an Eventuri intake. So it's fully carbon. If you see the cinematics just beforehand, you'll see it, and look, it looks fucking lovely. So we're gonna have a go at fitting that today. Apparently the gains on it are 15 brake horsepower. Apparently, as Cookie was telling us. But we're gonna jump to fitting it, and we'll let you guys know what we think about it or think of it. So you need a 10mm for this bad boy here. You need some torque wrench. What are they called? Torque.
Mine are flatted.
Yeah, and Cookie's using the flatheads, as you do, you know.
It's fucking lovely.
It's fucking lovely. So that's the first. The first bit is obviously to take off the intake, the airbox, and all that, and then yeah, we don't know what's behind there and how to take that out. We're gonna see as we go, but they're the first bits you need to do.
Yeah, we show up. Take me like our own. Yeah, we show up. Yeah, we show up. Yeah, we.
So the old one's off, as you can see. It literally was the case of undoing, I think that was 10mm, we got Imperial, so we don't know, we wasn't born in the 1970s, so we haven't got a clue what Imperial is. But obviously, I think it was a 10mm here, 10mm here, 10mm here, and then unclip it all. And then this is where the original box sits, and it's literally just the case of giving it a little pull and it pops out. So that is the intake off. Oh, and this bad boy here as well to take the scoop off, if you can see up there, because we've got a new carbon scoop for it. So going back to the scoop, it was just held on by a little torque wrench there, and then as you can see it had five, no, is it 1 2 3 4 5, it had six clips going round, as you can see.
Yeah, take one.
So yeah, that's come out alright. We didn't break one clip, so yeah, happy days. So when you've got the new Eventuri intake, you've got to put the original MAF air sensor back in.
The right way.
The right way, as Cookie says.
I think it's a MAF sensor. Fuck knows.
It's got to be a MAF flow sensor, isn't it? It's got to be. And that's pretty. Okay,
those bolts in the box.
That's it. Yeah, perfect.
Don't worry, then.
So that's a little tip if you have got one of these intakes. Perhaps just take the rubber off and put it in the groove first, because that seemed to work for us, didn't it?
We did. So that'll go like that. Like that. And that all.
So I've got the Jubilee clip on. It's pushed into the original one of them ones, and we've attached it to this bit here. That bit is on there, lovely and secure. Yeah, I suppose it is the case of slotting that in. And so a ring, guys. It was pretty simple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That
a bit of
bit.
a snug fit. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. But no, it was pretty simple. It all went in all right. We've got just this bolt here and this one here to put in. other than that, it's sort of, yeah, other than that, it pretty much slotted straight in and it was a piece of cake. We've still got the scoop to do. But yeah, so far so good. Right, so the scoop is on. And as you can see, like the original one, it's like the new carbon one's so much more profiled. Plus this one, it's like well restricted. I don't even think it's a scoop, is it?
No, it's just for show.
So, yeah, it's just for show. So as you can see, it's like mega different. But yeah, it looks absolutely fire. And then, as you can see, it literally comes through these, straight into these bad boys, through to the filter. But yeah, it was easy, wasn't it? It was alright, it was easy enough to fit, wasn't it? So yeah, thumbs up from us. We're going to take it out for a spin and see if we can notice any more induction noise and see if we can feel a difference. So yeah. First drive with the Eventuri intake, come on! It will be interesting, won't it? See if it has, give it a bit more of a note. It'll be interesting.
It's got a bit of a ground to it again. A bit more.
We need to
Get the warm.
get the warm up. The thing is, yeah, because I think if it was just a cone,
yeah, you get.
I think you'd get that dump, wouldn't you? Like boom. Yeah. Boom. It is, though, isn't
it? To me, it sounds a bit more like there's a bit of induction noise.
Yeah, you would know more than me. Yeah. Just thought I'm on the fucking 10 bends with you. Why did I get in the car?
Well, it's nice and steady. 40 miles per hour. Not even the horses.
Planted though, isn't it? It's so planted.
You tell the difference of tyres now.
Oh, mate.
Because the front used to wash out and now the front just sticks and the rear just steps out.
It just goes so well, doesn't it? I'm going to take you around in the Civic.
No.
Come on, you got it.
It's just good.
Yeah, we'll see if that comes up.
Picks up like, it's a bit more
responsive.
You know. Yeah.
You know, man.
I mean, I'm not expecting it. They say they put their fingers on an AIGR, but who knows?
I mean,
It looks nice.
the thing is, if you got it mapped as well, I know you don't want to do that, but it's like if you was to get it mapped all in,
Yeah, it will help.
yeah.
I think the exhaust, isn't it? Yeah, stage one. Everything's there for stage one.
Oh mate, this could be mental if you did map it.
But it's definitely different to noise.
Whoa, mate.
was happening at first. It's like the car was like, oh fuck.
Oh man.
Can't go out to the fan now.
Yeah.
We need to get some PS4 to the rear. The front just fucking goes wherever you put it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's naughty. But Eventuri, guys, we fitted it. You saw it on the video. It looks the absolute nuts. It does look the bollocks under there. I mean, you get what you pay for at the end of the day. But you notice a little bit of noise, you say, don't you? You're in
Yeah,
it
it's
more
got
than
a
me.
bit of an induction noise, not massive.
Yeah.
And it's a bit more responsive. These cars quite sluggish. Used to be quite sluggish. Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to put it in sport mode all the time just to move.
to get it going. Yeah.
So restricted.
No, exactly. But we will be doing a dyno day very soon.
I'll get the exhaust done.
Yeah, do the exhaust, get in, and then we're on a dyno, and then we'll see what all of this is saying, like see what figures we hit, and see how legit some of this is with the tuning box, the Eventuri intake,
Yeah.
and exhaust, and see what sort of figures we get. But
No one else
yes,
has done anything yet.
no, I don't think they have they? But stay with us for that, guys. I say it will be coming in a few weeks, hopefully, and yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
2005.
This is my 2005 Type R Thinnic. Some say it could keep up with McLaren's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Short name, DMO.